not all electric kettles are made the same. So let me show you why this KitchenAid electric kettle stands out. In this video, I'm going to unbox it, show you all the features, and put it to the test. Let's go. It comes well packaged, and it is a beauty. This will look so nice on a kitchen counter. Off the bat, I can see that it has a viewing panel right here, so you can see how much water you have in it. This also kind of is nice to see the water boiling. On the top, you can press this button to pop open the inside. And when you look inside, it's pretty much all stainless steel. There is a little plastic to this, mostly this viewer, and then it does have the top that's plastic. But this is really cool. You can actually pull out this tiny screen that will catch any dirt and debris before it goes out of the kettle and into your cup. And that does just hook right into the spigot. And the base is just as beautiful with that same metal exterior. The bottom of it has a wraparound for your cord if you don't need too much cord, but it's not a super long cord. It is grounded. And then you have your variable temperature, so you can choose which temp you want the water to boil at. It goes from 50 all the way up to 100 Celsius. And finally, to turn it on, the power button is on the base. So you'll just press this when you're ready for it to go. Well, let's put it to the test. And now that it's plugged in, this lights up. I'm gonna keep it to 50 and turn it on. It does make a little noise when it turns on. Now it will blink as it's heating, and then it'll do a quick little beep once it finally gets the temp. So it says it's at 50 right now. It's already going down, but it was at 49.2 Celsius. So it got pretty close. Let's have it go all the way to 100 now. And I love that it's showing me where the temp is at with this light. And now it is at 100. This is a joy to pour. No, I'm not getting 100 on my meat thermometer. It might be because it's a meat thermometer. It's currently getting 90.3, but I'm okay with it not being perfect on the temps. I just need it to get to boiling for my morning coffee, and I love that I can have it to a warmer temp for my green teas. It's giving me the temperatures I want, and it is gorgeous. I highly recommend this KitchenAid electric kettle.